Okay, here we go for another substitution video. This is a Husky 394, 395, same thing. This is for a tank vent for the oil tank, okay? These are tubes. Can you tell which is OEM? I bet you can't. Now, one is more clear than the other, but really, who cares? So, again, oil tank vent tubes. This is one of the dumbest things I've ever seen. When you order a new set of cases, guess what doesn't come with the cases? The vent tube. These are special order. And this is the OEM one. These are $8 a piece. That's crazy. Drives me nuts. So, just wanted to show you guys what the numbers were from McMaster Car. Crack resistant tubing, 595, 8K12. This is 3mm ID, 5mm OD, and 50 feet. This was like $6 for 50 feet. Okay. And then coiled spring pins. Now, here's the thing. I just want to show you. It's not exact. It's real close. I'm going to show you something here. So this is very, very hard to tell, but the ones that I bought are about an 1/8 inch diameter. The OEM Huskies are 9/64. They're slightly bigger. I cannot find 9/64 coil spring pins. That's what they are. This is a coil and a spring. So if anybody can find coil spring pins, then please let me know. I bought a whole bunch of them at 1/8 diameter. These are technically a tiny bit small. 1/8 by 3/8 coiled pack. There's your numbers. So, does it matter? The answer is probably not. Because ultimately the spring pin, it does expand the tubing slightly, 2,728. So let's do this in, actually we'll do it in millimeters. So this is like 5.3, maybe 5.4 at the biggest if you go. And this is 5.2 essentially. A tenth, maybe 2/10 of a millimeter smaller. Will it make that much difference? It's still reasonably tight in there. Now, what I'm going to do, this is my saw, by the way. I'm going to hammer that all the way down. It does hammer in. I'm going to hammer that all the way down in there. And this goes in. And it has to, yeah, just right on the other side. And again, you want it to go kind of up in the tank. And this will press in. And that's it. That's it. So, pause in case anybody wants the number. Oil tank vent, made in Sweden, 503-66-8404. What I would appreciate from you guys, if at all possible, if you can source 9/64 coiled spring pins, or roll pins is what they're called. They're actually coiled spring pins. Coil spring pins is what they're called. I need a 9/64 by 3/8 coil spring pin. I cannot seem to source it. I can't find it. If somebody can find it, that'd be great. By about 3/8 of an inch long. And obviously, if you found something in metric, that would be fine. The actual metric here is a little more than 3.5, 3.6 millimeter. Again, does it matter? Probably not. But if we're trying to, trying to do this as good as possible. Again, 100 of these was like $8 from McMaster Car. So I'm pretty much done with spending $8 on something dumb like that. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean? Okay. Hope you guys liked the video. I would appreciate any help on sourcing a better part, but I don't see any reason why this coil plastic line can't be used. You might not want to use rubber or silicone because it'll flop in the tank. You need something that actually goes up a little bit. So this definitely works. 5mm OD, 3mm ID, basically 1mm wall thickness is what this is, and it's reasonably stiff. So polyethylene tubing. So questions, comments, let me know. I do appreciate you guys, and yeah, we'll catch you later. Thanks so much for watching.